Welcome to this quick review of the MKIII Nerf grenades. That's Nerf in quotations, as they're not actually made by Nerf. They're produced in China by someone else, but everyone refers to them as Nerf grenades. I use them with Nerf rounds, and that's how you'll find them listed on Amazon or eBay. I paid £17 or around $22 each for these, and the first thing you should notice as you open the box is that they're made of strong, rigid plastic. And obviously they need to be, because they're going to be thrown at the ground on a regular basis. They are reassuringly weighty, and I'd say the overall build quality is a lot better than I expected. Those meaty Allen bolts, instead of cheap screws, are an example of an overall design that's intended to take some hard knocks. They're quite flexible when it comes to the rounds you can choose to put in them. My guess is that they were originally designed for airsoft, but you can fit shortened elites into them, or my favourite, rival rounds. I'll show you exactly how in a moment. First though, let's have a look at how they are triggered. First, you remove the restraining pin. This arms the grenade, although as long as the orange handle is down, it shouldn't go off. When the grenade goes off, 3 sprung fins flip out. To trigger this action, a top-heavy metal pendulum has to be shifted off its central neutral position. Impact with the floor will do this. To load the MKIII, you hold down the fins and fill each of them with your round of choice. I'm opting for 2 rivals on each fin. Rival rounds are excellent because they are large and easy to handle. They fly really well once exploded and are easy to find afterwards. Once the orange handle is down, your grenade is safe and primed. There's a small port under the grenade. This is where you'd load airsoft rounds or tiny water beads. But if you've got a few grenades, this is a good way of checking them to make sure that you remembered to load them. I did say in the title that we had battle tested the MKIII. Since purchasing them a few weeks ago, we've used them every day and in every Nerf fight. On grass, on wooden floors, on carpets, and they are still functioning perfectly. Now, they don't always spring open at the right angle. But when they do, those 6 Nerf rival rounds are devastatingly effective. We've got a diverse collection of Nerf guns. What I love about the MKIIIs is that they bring something completely different to the battle for a very reasonable price. Hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know in the comments if you pick up your own MKIIIs or know a better alternative. Help us out with a like and, best of all, a subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll be the first to hear about all the cool content incoming to the channel. Thanks for watching.